Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change Roblox country. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Roblox application. So once you open that application, you simply need to click on three dots in the right bottom corner, scroll down again and click on help. So scroll down again and click on contact us. So once you are on that page, you simply need to scroll down again, and in technical issue questions you simply need to click on general website issues. Click on that, scroll down again, and in the bottom you can see need more help, contact support here. Click here, and here you need to provide your username, your first name, your email, you confirm your email address, and what device are you having the problem on. You simply need to select any of your device. So I'm going to select the PC, and here you need to select the how to, and here you need to describe the issue to the Roblox team that I want to change my country, kindly help me in changing my country. Then the Roblox support will contact with you in 24 to 48 hours and help to solve your issue. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.